Welcome to Vanindin Academy. Everybody is looking for a rock-solid solar investment. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one for your home? Solar Energy World's 30-year warranty might be your golden ticket. Imagine not having to worry about your solar panels for 3 whole decades. Solar Energy World has been lighting up homes since 2009, completing over 25,000 installations on the East Coast. That's a lot of happy customers enjoying clean, renewable energy. Their secret sauce? An in-house team that ensures top-notch quality and customer satisfaction. From the initial consultation to the final installation, they handle everything with care and expertise. But here's the kicker: a 30-year warranty. This isn't just any warranty, it's a comprehensive one that covers almost everything. Covering parts, labor, and weatherization, this warranty outshines the competition, giving you peace of mind and potential savings on future repairs. No more unexpected costs or worries about your system's longevity. And while they don't offer their own monitoring service, apps from top inverter brands like Enphase and SolarEdge keep you in the loop on your system's performance. You can track your energy production and consumption right from your smartphone. So, if you're eyeing solar Energy World's 30-year warranty might just be the best bet for your home and wallet. It's an investment in your future, both financially and environmentally. Ready to go solar? Take the first step towards a greener future today. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your experiences and answer any questions you might have.